Alright guys, welcome back to Automobilista 2. It's been a while since I've raced in the sim, and as you know, they just add the new track for Automobilista, which is Monza, the famous track that everybody likes to race at in every single living sim. And as you can see in turn 1, it's almost a guarantee someone's gonna mess up. Surprisingly, I'm racing in Formula Ultimate car, something that I normally don't do. I'm more known for GTE, GT3 cars. But surprisingly, I'm actually doing well. I really enjoy this car. It's really fast. As you can see, I came off track just now. The guy ahead of me is more or less, I would say, 1/10 of a second faster. Depends. We're pretty much around the same. He's a little bit faster than me, honestly. But like I said, I was driving this car, actually my second time driving this car, and without a setup or anything. So for the main fact that I'm actually keeping up with him, it's pretty awesome. The game had a few updates after the release, because once the release came out, we had a few bugs where we would send text in the chat box and it would duplicate about 3 times. They fixed that, so that's great. And the question is, will this track bring more traction to the servers and more races online? When it first came out, that was the case. I noticed there was a lot of lobbies open racing on the track, but it's been over a week now and I notice it's slowly going down. So what I think that Automobilista and the developers will have to do to really get more users on this platform is to have a rating system. Like, I never go into ACC once and there's not a full lobby, especially when you think about Monza. There's always someone to race with, and of course there's always a lot of crazy drivers. You know, I call them the no brake right? They don't use brakes, it's just only gas. But anyway, the games look really beautiful. I don't know if you can tell. For me personally, I think it's one of the most aesthetic pleasing. The trees look great compared to all the other sims that I've raced in, and yeah, it's a beauty. It's just sad that it's not getting the love or the support like ACC. See, I want to replay this also to show you he was pushing way too hard and he came over on my side. It's a good thing I was watching him, so I slowed down, right, just to avoid getting into an accident. As you can see, he dived into that right lane. Now watch this. And then he slowed down. So if I was coming around as I should, I would have run right into him, and that's why we always have accident at that turn 1. Anyway, he's back in first place, but he knows that he was wrong for, you know, pulling that stunt. So as the race go along, you're gonna see where he kind of overshoot in turn sector 2, actually sector 3, sorry, and I'm gonna overtake him, and that's gonna be the end of the race. I'm gonna come in first, and I did this track a second time again and still came in first. So I guess there's something about this car that fits my driving style, so I'll be trying to do some more race into using the Formula car. Okay, once again, I'm just doing a replay so you can see exactly what happened and how I got into first place. Gee, and I didn't touch him. You know, it's just him overshooting and wasn't able to commit to the turn. So from there, I pretty much stayed in first place the whole time and win the race. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think it would take for AMS2 to really get the traction that ACC and iRacing, Racing Room, the other sims? What would it take for AMS2 to get that type of traction? Because I mean, they're doing a lot. They have a lot to offer, but at the same time, when you go into the public lobby, it's just a few races, a few lobbies open, maybe 5, 6, or races in a lobby. It's not easy to find race to just jump right in and have some fun. So that's it for today. Just wanted to share my thoughts on the new updates and the new track and this awesome car. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and enjoy the rest of the race. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new to my channel, and enjoy the rest of the race, and see you in the next one.